Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. Thank you all so much for joining me here, guys, Capricorn. And yes, I do readings every day, and this is a daily reading. I will be taking cards for your general energies and for your love energies. Okay, so just before I start the reading, guys, I just needed to tell you all this. I have a surprise for you. This Halloween is coming end of the month, and I also need a suggestion from you guys. I'm going to arrange my altar for the Halloween, and if you have any ideas on how to decorate the altar for my Halloween, please make sure to give me any ideas. I will definitely take all your ideas and try to incorporate them into my Halloween decoration, and I will also mention you guys in my Instagram posts. So make sure to comment down below and let me know if you have any ideas that I can incorporate in my Halloween altar. Okay, any herbs that I can use, any spices that I can use, any essential oils or any crystals or anything, because I will be buying these things if I don't already have them, and I will be setting up my altar. So yes guys, see you all tomorrow. Bye Capricorns. Bye. So let us start the reading, Capricorns. I will be using the vampire deck today. I know this reading is going to be Halloween themed, obviously, so let us start. Capricorns. So we have flaws, contradictions, mistakes for your general energies, and for your love energies we have internal struggle, personal challenges, wanting to improve. So for your general energies, guys, all I can say here, Capricorn, is you've been dealing with a lot. You've been dealing with a lot throughout your life, and it is a time for you to realize that there are people around you who would always be there for you. There are people around you who would really help you. It is time to ask for help if you need help. Okay, and I also see here that today you will meet a person who is really going to help you with your life. You are going to meet someone who is really going to be helpful with your life regarding your relationships, or generally with your life regarding your work, career, or whatever it is. Okay, and today you're going to find the day very interesting. You're just going to love the way everything turns out for you. You're just going to visit a lot of holy places. You're just going to you're just going to make sure that you are in peace today, because you're done dealing with a lot of hectic situation, a lot of weird situations. You no longer want to deal with anything that is weird or anything that is hectic. You only want to be in a situation that makes you feel happy, that makes you feel excited, and you don't want to deal with anything that gives you this weird energy. Okay, and the entire day you're going to spend your time doing what you prefer to do, maybe spending time with your family, maybe spending time with your friends, going out with your friends, and you wouldn't do anything that you don't like to do. For example, if you don't like to concentrate on your work too much, you wouldn't. Instead, you would try to go out with your friends and keep yourselves distracted. So today's the day where you're concentrating on spending your time equally on the things that you need to do, on the people that you need to be with, either than spending your time with the people you don't really care. So that is what I can see here, Capricorn. For your love energies, Capricorn, with the internal struggle, personal challenges, wanting to improve, you really want to improve as a person, or your person definitely wants to improve. They're done being this person that they always were. They're done being in the situation that they always was stuck in, and right now they want to really make sure that their life is complete. They want to make sure that they are happy in their life. They want to make sure that they're excited to deal with whatever they're dealing with, and Yes, guys, they do really love you for what you are and who you are. They're really willing to do whatever it is with you, and they even planning to manifest whatever it is that they have to manifest with you guys, because I can see that they really love you a lot, they really care a lot for you, they're willing to sacrifice whatever it is for you. And mainly this person's addicted to somewhat your kisses. They're addicted to your kisses, they're addicted to how you make them feel, they're addicted to you generally. I can see here that this person does really care too much for you. They do really care too much for you that they would definitely do anything to come towards you. They would definitely do anything to manifest this relationship with you. And yes, guys, this person is planning a trip with you, they're planning something amazing with you. That is also what I can see here. And they're mostly addicted to how you make them feel. They're addicted to how amazing you make them feel. Okay, because the people around them don't really make them feel good. The people around them really don't make them feel so good like how you make them feel. And this person really wants to be in that energy. They want to be happy once how amazing they felt for you. They want similar emotions with you, they want similar feelings with you, and they are going on with this. They're manifesting whatever they should to get that similar energy, to get that similar feeling that they feel for you guys. And yes, that is what I can see here, Capricorn. So they're just addicted totally to you, addicted to your kisses, they're addicted to how you make them feel, they're totally impressed by your energies. And no matter the meeting too many people, they're not able to be with these people, they're not able to be free with these people, they're not able to be kind of amazed by these people. No matter where they go, who they meet, they really want you in their life. They're doing whatever it is to have you in their life, and they don't know what they would do without you. So that kind of an energy is what I can see here, guys, my lovely Capricorn. This person is just addicted too much to your kisses, and they don't know where they will be, which situation they would be without you. And yes, guys, that is all I can see here, my lovely Capricorn. So bye, guys, see you all tomorrow, Capricorns. Bye. I hope this energy really resonated with you guys. If it did, make sure to watch my weekly, monthly and pick a card readings, Capricorn. Bye, guys, see you all tomorrow. Bye.